In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a member to a Todoist project quickly and easily. This is perfect if you're working with a teammate, collaborating on a shared task list, or setting up a project for your team so everyone can stay on the same page. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Todoist and go to your left sidebar. From there, click the specific project folder that you want to share. Make sure you open the correct project because the invitation will apply to that project only. Once the project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the share icon, which usually looks like a person with a plus sign next to it. Click that share icon to open the project sharing options. Now, Todoist will give you a field where you can add people. Type in your teammate's email address if they are not already in your workspace. If the person is already part of your Todoist workspace, you may also see their name appear as a suggestion, and you can simply select it from the list. This makes it easy to invite the right person without typing everything manually. After entering the email address or selecting the teammate's name, take a moment to double check that you've chosen the correct person. This is especially important if you manage multiple projects or work with a larger team. When everything looks right, click invite. Todoist will send the invitation and the person will be added to the project once they accept or immediately if they already have access through your workspace settings. After that, your teammate can view and collaborate on the project with you, making it much easier to assign tasks, track progress, and keep everything organized. And that's it. You've successfully added a member to a Todoist project. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Todoist tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.